Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Security or Lock screen. This is where Android centralizes protections. Once there, choose the lock method you prefer: pattern, PIN, password, or biometric, and make sure your current lock, if any, is available to confirm identity. If the device asks for permission or a backup method, grant or enter it now. Doing this first sets the secure foundation for everything that follows and prevents accidental data exposure while you change options. After selecting a lock type, follow the on-screen creation steps carefully. Draw and confirm a pattern, or enter and confirm a PIN or password. Once created, explore advanced options like Smart Lock, Lock Timeout, and whether notifications show on the lock screen. These directly affect convenience versus privacy. Make sure to register biometric data and configure a reliable backup unlock method so you're not locked out. Taking time here avoids repeating setup and balances access with security. Finish by locking the screen and testing your new method immediately, checking notifications and smart lock behavior. If something goes wrong, you forget credentials or biometrics fail, try account recovery, backup PIN, Google Find My Device Unlock, or as a last resort factory reset. Be aware factory reset erases data. If repeated failures occur, update device software and re-register biometrics. Make sure to store your PIN or password securely so you can access your device when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.